If you want to change the unit settings of the PM580, open the menu and confirm the menu item settings. You are now prompted to enter a PIN. Enter the PIN 001 using the arrow keys and the Enter key. You are now in the submenu of the various setting options. The first available menu item is Adjustment. To carry out an adjustment, an additional qualification of a specialist, for example, device maintenance technician, is required. In addition, several test gases and other accessories are required for adjustment. Therefore, we will not go into detail about the adjustment at this point. The second menu item, Restore, resets the PM580 to factory settings. The third menu item, Date, Time, takes you to the setting options for the current date and time. Press the Enter button to access the possible detailed settings. The last menu item, Threshold PPM, allows you to set the threshold of the acoustic signal triggering in the application case structure. Here you can select values between 10 and 100 ppm in steps of 10. After confirming the selection, you will be taken to the settings menu. You can leave the settings menu at any time by pressing the menu button, and you will return to the measuring mode.